How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So if you want to recover old WhatsApp deleted messages without any backup, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your file manager. After opening your file manager, you need to go with your internal storage. Under internal storage, you need to scroll down, go with Android, which is right here, and then go with media. And under media, you will have com.whatsapp, tap on it, and then tap on the WhatsApp folder. And here you will have your media. So tap on media, and then you will have your WhatsApp stickers, your backup excluded stickers, your sticker packs, your WhatsApp audio, your voice notes, your WhatsApp videos, images, documents, wallpaper. All of these are WhatsApp files. So you can simply select these folders, and after selecting these folders, you can copy and paste it somewhere or wherever or whichever folder you like. So you will have all of the details or your informations, your images, your chats, videos, everything right here on these folders. So you don't need to worry about not recovering, because you'll be able to recover all of those chats or images from here. Or you will also have audios, voice notes, and everything. So you can also go with WhatsApp documents, and here also you'll have some private or send messages. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.